In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a QR code in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you want to link to a website, a Google form, a portfolio, a payment page, or any online resource, adding a QR code directly to your slide makes it incredibly easy for your audience to access your content instantly. The best part is, you don't need any external QR code generator website because PowerPoint has a built-in add-in system that lets you create one right inside your presentation. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to insert the QR code. You can add it to an existing slide or create a new one specifically for links or contact information. Once your slide is open and ready, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Inside the Insert tab, look for the option that says Get Add-ins. In some versions of PowerPoint, you might see My Add-ins instead. Click on Get Add-ins and this will open the Microsoft Office Add-in store. This is where you can install small tools that extend PowerPoint's functionality. In the search bar at the top of the Add-ins window, type QR code and press Enter. You'll see several QR code generator add-ins appear in the results. One of the most popular and reliable options is called QR4Office. Go ahead and click on QR4Office, then click the Add button to install it into PowerPoint. After you add it, the QR code generator panel will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. Now, this is where you actually create your QR code. Inside the QR4Office panel, you'll see a field where you can enter your website link or any text you want the QR code to contain. For example, you can paste your website URL, your LinkedIn profile, a YouTube video link, a registration form, or even simple text information. Once you paste or type your link into the field, the QR code will automatically generate in the preview area. Before inserting it, you can customize it if needed. Some versions allow you to change the color, size, or error correction level depending on your preference. When you're happy with how it looks, click the Insert button. PowerPoint will immediately place the QR code onto your slide. From there, you can resize it by dragging the corners, reposition it anywhere on the slide, and format it just like you would with an image. Make sure the QR code is large enough so people can easily scan it from a distance, especially if you're presenting in a big room or sharing your screen during a meeting. It's also a good idea to test the QR code before finalizing your presentation. Simply open your phone's camera, point it at the QR code on your screen, and check if it directs you to the correct link or displays the correct information. This ensures everything works perfectly before you present it to your audience. And that's it. That's how you make a QR code directly inside PowerPoint without using any third-party websites. It's quick, professional, and extremely useful for modern presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.